Good morning. Welcome. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Franco. This is Trading Futures Live. Let's get started. I think Powell is speaking because the market is getting a little bit volatile. So let's jump right in. All right, so let's start with the economic calendar. We do have Powell speaking right now, 9. And then we have at noon we do have some energy outlook reports. Right, the rest of the day pretty much quiet. Let's see what Powell can cause in the market. If he can move the market right now. Let's do this. Give me 1 second. All right. All right, so let's continue on here. Let's go see what the dollar is doing, because the dollar is it stopped out of our demand right here, right? I don't think this is the highest quality demand, but the dollar is holding right there. So it held for two times and reacted off of it. Now is inside the area, but it's not going through yet. Okay. If we go to the lower time frame, let's go to the 30-minute. And on the 30-minute, we can find very sideways movement during the London Open, right here. Right here. So this is the area that is gonna put interest in our trading today. I would say here. If we go below this pivot, right? In this fashion, then long on the equity markets. And if we bounce here and we create this sort of reaction, right? Then short on the equity markets. I'm not a huge fan of shorting the equity markets when the dollar is sideways, because it can break to either side and then not give us a clear direction. So I would need more than one enhancer if I want to short. All right, so here's the dollar. Not a lot of information. We're in demand, not a high quality demand. It's not a high quality demand because it's been tested so many times, 1, 2, 3 times. This is the 4th time, and we are inside the demand and going deeper inside of it. And when it goes deeper inside of it, is clear sign that there is not an overwhelming quantity of orders sitting there. If we did have a lot of orders sitting here, prices wouldn't be here. Okay. Like for instance here, see that? Came here and immediately after like few hours, just shoot up because the orders were overwhelmingly, it was an overwhelmed amount of orders here to the buy side. All right, so that's a dollar. I am neutral, bearish on the equity markets based on the dollar. Now the VIX is gapping up again. It does have some supply, not high quality. This is the daily. I would say like around 23 is a better point to short the VIX, right? But other than that, I do have 26. On the demand side, not much. Very tested, very tested. Like here, we actually came below this pivot, meaning that we're grinding into this demand, right? So this one is not affecting us, but this one. And we've been here since April, August, December, now January, okay? So that is the VIX. If we see the bond yields, they're going up, not much, like 1%. Yesterday was a minus. It was a flat day on the bond yields. Until we break to the upside, I wouldn't consider this bullish. So I will wait for this, or I would rather just create something here and continue to the downside. Now it's not easy because we need time for it. We need time to create something here, like this one, okay? So this is the bullish case on the equity markets. This is a bearish case on the equity markets. But everything is looking more bullish right now. I know the market is like kind of flat. Yeah, market is kind of flat. It's not going up or down. Yeah, we were going down, but now we're going up. Traditionally, January 10th is a bullish day on the S&P and the Nasdaq. 60% of the time. Then I have here crude oil bouncing back up a little bit. Of course, look, and I'm gonna get rid of these. I'm gonna get rid of these areas, right? This is a demand that we had here for a very long time. And it's bouncing off of it. Facing a weak dollar is a tailwind for crude oil and stocks. Okay, so if the dollar continues to weaken, then stocks will continue to go up, right? Let's go to the real quick to the ES and see what's going on there. We are bouncing off of the Friday's demand. If we will go to the daily, we're basically flat, 0.15% down. But this demand is holding right there. This is the demand that we marked off yesterday. And we can go to the share bar just to dissect this demand. We came here yesterday, 10 p.m., 8 p.m., right? So we retraced back to this level. Actually, I think the market closed negative or flat yesterday after going up like 1%. But this demand, we cannot ignore it. We do have a lot of rejections here. Like we do have 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections, and then a break to the upside. That this is the retest, perfect setup to go long off of this level, 3,900. Later during the trading session, we can go down to the share bar just to see this. Okay. It's probably similar on the Nasdaq. Oh no, with the Nasdaq, oh, we didn't have that. Oh, look where the Nasdaq demand is, right here. We haven't gotten there yet. We did have a supply. Is this a high quality? Oh no, this is overnight. Yeah. So this was overnight. We barely. Oh yeah, because the Nasdaq closed positive yet. Closed positive yesterday. Okay. I don't want to rely on this thing anymore. So this is the. You can see how clearly the S&P is weaker than the Nasdaq. So this is the same demand on the S&P, which is being utilized right now. So price is there. See that? So this is the same level, but on the NAS is a lot lower. Right? So I wouldn't be surprised if we get to this level today. And then we bounce off of this level. So my bias today for now is neutral, bullish. And based on that, I will prepare on the Nasdaq. All right, so let's jump right into the Nasdaq chart. What we're going to do is this. Oh no, before I do that, I need to select my account. There we go. Cool. So my real account is not ready yet. Like, I don't know why. I did the wire on Sunday, but I damn, so bad. I didn't put the account number, so I had to email them so they can locate my money. All right, so yesterday was quite interesting. We were going up, and I took this short right here from here to here, right? Then it came back to the area. No, sorry, it was this one. It was this one from here to 35. Yeah. That's easy. There we go. Here, from here to here. That was my short. This was my long. Stopped out break even. This was my long. Stopped out break even, and then it went. Here's my short. I covered here, and then it ended up dropping. Now, remember, why did I take the short? It was a risky trade because it was a counter trend trade. So, but two considerations, right? I did have a very tight target, like very close target that led me to cover my position before any reversal, right? My risk was lower, was around $370, whereas in the long was like $500. And I was aware of this pivot and all this crap, okay? Then I had an area that was not filled when I was trying to long, and I think it was this one or this one or this one that worked later, and I think it was this one. No, it wasn't this one. It was where was it? Was here, like below this. There we go. This. I had it, but I didn't, like I wasn't paying attention. I just saw the chart later. You see that? So this one was a perfect trade. So I need to record this as a missed trade because I did have the I did have the area drawn. It's just so important just to pay attention to where you have good trades, but you don't take them. Is a very, very good learning experience. So this one would have given me 4-1. I think it's something that you cannot ignore. Yeah, let's say 3.5 to be conservative, right? Taking a limit order right there. So I need to record this today. There you go. I'm gonna put a circle here so I don't forget. There you go. Good morning, of you guys sharing with me here. I do appreciate you spending your time here. We're all together in this. We want to expand our knowledge about trading, right? All right, so I'm gonna mark off the overnight. Look how similar is yesterday's overnight high and low from today. This is basically the same. All right, it's a very tight range. Very tight range, right? I feel very bullish. Like I feel very bullish. What time is it? It's 9:17. All right, so I think we have time. Let's go down to the 500 share bar and let's see what we have here from Friday. 2 in the afternoon, 1 in the afternoon. There you go. So I do have this. I do have this as one area. I really like this one. But like 10 a.m. Where is 10 a.m.? There you go. I would say like this. It is huge. It is huge. But oh. No, never mind. Is this one. You know what? I'm going to include this. Is 859. Yeah, it's 50 points. This is ridiculous, but this is the entire area. Now, the best part of it is this, the red line. So what I'm going to do, if we happen to get to this point, which is not very likely, is 300 points below. Right? So I do have this one, which is 200 points, still very low. Let's see if we can find something. But look, the thing is like afternoon. Like I could have this. How much is this? 160. So it all will depend on the dollar, right? But if the dollar is dropping, if the dollar is dropping like nonstop, it's going to be hard for us to go through the overnight low, right? If the dollar is dropping nonstop, it's going to be hard for us to, go below the overnight low. Like in the overnight, I do not have like something that I really like. Like I would, if this week wouldn't be so low, probably this one, but not because of this. Like if it would have been just barely touch here, but look how deep went inside. So I don't like this one. All right, so we are 9 minutes away. I hear your comments. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close this. Close this. Close this. Close this. My computer is acting very, very weird. I changed the power cable for my monitor. Now it's working. Yesterday it wasn't working. Well, I didn't have time to fix it though. All right, so I'm gonna close this. Yes. Boom. Now I'm gonna open a desktop. Right. Upper left. Boom. I'm just showing the there we go. So now I have the other markets here. But one thing about yesterday, it was one thing good about not having the power cable, and I just got rid of it right now, is that I was not watching my P&L. I was not watching it, and I think that was positive overall. So now I'm getting rid of it. So I have the dollar. What else do I need here? Oh, this one, the replicant. All right. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. Cool. I think we're ready. I'm gonna go hit the bathroom, and I'll come back in 2 minutes for the market open. Good morning. So 3 minutes for the market open. set my risk, $500. Right, I'm gonna be trading the MNQ. Sorry, the NQ. Now, a possibility that might unfold after market open is a drop, right? Probably below the overnight low, or around that vicinity, and a bounce, right? But for that, I will need the dollar. Dollar's just dropping, is very weak. It's impressive. The retracement on the dollar. It really is. Now, a weak dollar is a tailwind for stocks and commodities. So I do expect a sort of bullish day today. Market is dropping though. Is minus 0.4%. I was listening to the news and stuff yesterday, and I realized like investors are just positioning themselves for a rate cut this year. And we have CPI on Thursday, so that will influence a lot on what is going gonna happen in the next few months. But yeah, the market somehow is trying to predict a rate cut and some sort of stimulation from the Fed. So for us, not very important that we just try to trade the charts, right? Just as general knowledge. So we market is about to open, so please don't take my trades. I do this for my own accountability. Please take your own risk. Don't take mine. With that being said, market is open. ADQD obviously on the negative. Not very extreme though. Minus 200. So the dollar is at so the dollar is at the low, close to the low from London, right? So if the dollar is going to bounce, it's going to bounce from here, or the lower part, that's 103.50. So NQ is positive now. ES is positive as well. All of them. Jingling. Did you trade overnight? It was a very tight range though. 100 points on the NQ. So I can get rid of this and this so I don't get confused. ADQD, very positive. Yeah, I wouldn't short this. Spectacular 7-minute candle on the NQ. Very high volume. Very high volume. Just to be aware of this, volume usually is around. Well, no, volume is being higher. It's like 25,000 contract. It's trading season, right? I'm gonna get ready for this one. I'm gonna see this one, and I want to see this one, 188. So the ES and the Nasdaq, they're behaving very similarly. The Dow is a bit weaker though. Let's see if we can have 11,200 or 11,188, and what's going on when prices get there. All right, so it's giving the 2 to 1, close to the 2 to 1, but a lot of selling pressure. And the tick chart, oh well, the tick chart is at the zero line. Yeah, most likely this one is gonna fail. Oh, there we go, 2 to 1. But I rather just this one. Just because of the behavior on the tick. Now if I happen to take this one, how much will be my risk? Just one contract. It's $300. That'll be 600. So I would rather just doing this. Yeah. Now we're hitting extremes on the tick chart. Mm. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this one. So how much is the risk here? 73. It's like $400. Yeah, I think Might take this one. See if we can just go down. Yeah, hesitated. There you go. That was the trade. And I did have the signal on the tick chart. I hesitated. This is me trying to get back in shape, after 3 weeks off. Hesitating. One, two, three. It's important for me to keep my mental composure, like not lose my head because of this missed trade, and wait for the next opportunity. All right, so dollar is bouncing back. 10 seconds for the 7 minute. A lot of hesitation today for me. Double bottom on the tick chart. Perfect. Perfect setup. And I didn't take it. I was regretting this one. Right? I was this one. I didn't take it either. Yeah, it looks like it doesn't want to go. Like yeah, it's a lot of selling pressure. There is a lot of selling pressure, especially in the 7 minute. Yeah, I'm in it long from 209, but to be honest, it looks very bearish. Like all right, so I'm moving my stop to break even. Yeah, it doesn't want to go through. This is the last minute on the 7 minute. Let's see if we can actually go above that. Yeah, we're double topping right there. And I do have, mm, yeah, damn. Wow. That's a spectacular selling pressure. Oh my God. Yeah, it is what it is. I think I could still make it, but yeah. Oh shit. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go up. If it goes, I'm gonna be in. Yeah. Yeah. It doesn't look like it's going to go. Yeah, no. Selling pressure is quite spectacular. Yeah, it is what it is. Either I lose or I win. Yeah. And if I lose, it's just $290, not much. Wow. That was hard. That was hard. I do think I can still make it in this trade, but I got stopped out. Yeah. Yeah, that's not good. Try it again. This is 3 times the same trade. That's against my rule. Yeah, and I lost twice. It's not good. So this is the next stop. Is this one? I'm losing $500. Um, yeah, I'm not very short today. I'm not very short. Even though the market is flat, I'm not favoring the short. Like I like the long better. But yeah, it's very sideways. Like it's very sideways. Hmm. On the 7 minute. All right, so let's see if we can go up from here. Yeah, it doesn't look like. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, the selling pressure from there is it's amazing. Fuck. Yeah. It's a lot of selling right there. It's a lot of selling. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut this trade. I don't do this, but come on. Come on. There we go. Oh, come on. Ah. It's hard. It's hard because you're biased, right? But the bias is not supported by price action. It's hard to keep up with this trade. Well, it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm gonna have to break even this thing. Yeah, I'm not gonna lose money in this one. Yeah. There you go. So frustrating. So frustrating. Yeah, I know. This is too much volatility for me. There you go. Frustration starts to build up, guys. It's hard. Look at that. I do think the long is the best trade. But look at this. It doesn't run. It's just sideways. Very volatile. Sideways volatile. And minus $565. my God. That's so frustrating, guys. There he goes. That's my target. Hmm. And now I don't have anything. Like, I'm not gonna long right here. Like, it's hard. I was $500 up again in this trade. 14 times 40. Yeah, $560. But this one got to my target though. This one got to target. Hmm. All right. At least I managed to make the money back and some. Yeah. Do you see the trade at the this one? Oh my God. Long break even. So I had two losers. Two losers were bad. Like, I could avoid it one, right? The last one, because here I was long, right? Close to target. Target was around here, right? Target was around here. Pardon me. Target was around here, right? Break even. Here's long, break even. Then I was longing again. Then here I lost. That's fine. The bad trade was this one, the long here. This was a third time on the same area. That's on me. That's not me, right? All right, so I lost twice. Then this one, long, was up, break even, boom, target. The target was around here. Now I managed to take this one. Tick chart was aligned on the 0 line here and bouncing, right? Red candle, then a blue candle. Thank you. And then boom, this one. It's not much. I was down 565. It's minus 565. Sorry, yeah, minus 565. Now I am 255. So minus plus 750 is like 890. No, I made like 255 minus 565. I made 820 in that trade. 820. But I'm still just $255 up. It's not much. It's a very hard day to trade. It's been very difficult. Dollar is just ranging since 9 a.m. No, I trade in larger accounts. I'm trading funded accounts. So I do have 10 funded accounts that I'm trading right now. It's even larger than you think, the stake. Look. Let me hide this. I don't want to show this. I'm trading 10 funded accounts at the same time. Yeah. Since I'm trading funded accounts and not my personal account, I can be more aggressive. That's the beauty of the funded accounts. I think it's a leverage that day traders can use and don't exploit. It's because day trading is so hard. Like my psychology right now is not 100%. Just because I lost 2 trades and then I break even. Fuck. Like. But then I asked the question, like, do I want to just fuck it all up just because I lost 2 trades? It's hard to overcome psychologically. I've struggled a lot. I've struggled a lot to get to this point. The edge is one thing, but then you make mistakes like this one. Like I made this mistake. This was not my edge. Like this. Sorry. this trade long here and stopped out here is a mistake. It got nothing to do with my edge, right? I took it once. I'm allowed to take it twice, but the third time, it's just greedy. This is just greedy. This is me thinking, oh, this shit is gonna go. Yeah. So to overcome those situations is not easy because we make mistakes, and I'm very hard to. I'm very hard with myself. Like it's hard for me to forgive myself. So that's what I work with every day. Like try to forgive myself and feel compassionate with myself. Because this is so random. Like, okay, this is a clear mistake, right? But this is so random. You can put a trade and not work, and it's fine. It was a good trade, right? But sometimes we have it the other way. We think we have a blind in front of us, and we think that we screw it up. But no, we didn't. We just placed a trade, and it ended up losing money. It's okay. So one thing that I work with every day is trying to forgive myself for everything. So look at this. The long is the direction that I'm looking at today, right? But look how difficult this has been. So the market opened here, long, right? And then it came back so hard, then long again, retracement, then long again, then retracement. So it's very hard. Like you gotta get your money. You gotta have targets. Live trading London says go long. Today numbers were up and down till you got the last one. Yeah, here, right? Where was it? This one, right? I didn't take any trade here, but I think I had an order here somewhere, or the bracket. I gotta go check the video, but I think if I'm not mistaken, I think I had the bracket here, and I hesitated. But this was a perfect long. Now I am positive, but I'm not stopping yet. Like I wanna just I'm gonna take 5 minutes off to decompress. Right? It's just 10:25. I think I need the time to decompress 5 minutes, and I'll come back. It looks like the dollar is gonna bounce overnight. Overnight. Is that the overnight high? Yeah. So I don't this move is not my favorite. Like I rather just having some formations like this one. But at this point, after being tested so deep, I would this is explosive accumulation. This is the best one. So how much this one gave? Wow, 4 to 1. Even more, 5. Damn. I think I was long here. We're back again in this zone, but no, look, I don't like this zone again just because it's tested here. This one, this was a trade, not this one. I mean, not for me. And now the tick chart is clear a new low. So all the markets are negative right now. Well, RTY is flat. But NQ is minus 0.3%. Um, the ES is minus quarter of a percent. Same thing for YM. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for the overnight low to be broken, if it's going to be broken anytime. Like supply, if we want to go for the supply, I do have this. It's not like it is the location wide. Location wide is not the best one, but I do have this one. Overnight high. This one is very good. Like I do have supply. kind of boring, right? I do have this demand, but I don't like it. Like it's tested already. This one. So the trade was this one. Here, I don't think there are many orders, especially when the tick chart is acting so weak. If we create something here, but we haven't, then we can. And the dollar is holding right there. So let's see if I want to try here. How much am I risking? Wow, $400. Yeah, and it's going through, so whatever. Yeah. Is going through, but the tick chart hasn't made a new low, and that's important. That is very important. Did you get out in this drop? Okay, cool. So where so you shorted it? I mean, you got long on the SQQQ, but what do? You do options or you just buy a bunch of shares? And it's triple leverage, right? It's triple levered. All right, El Gringo, go rest. Yeah, no stress. Remember. Like I was very stressed out today. Oh my god. Like, damn. So this is my second day, my second trading day of the year. I so I want to just map my psychology for the entire day. So this is my second day. Yeah, but on the opposite, right? If Apple and Nas are dropping, you go long. Isn't that right? And then you buy a bunch of shares. No, I for some reason I thought you were using options, but no, that's fine. Is Tesla dropping? Yeah. All right. So here's the deal. Look at the tick chart was making new lows, exhausting here, but the tick chart was not. So the market was exhausted here, but the tick chart was not making a new low, and um it's not like the tick chart because one thing is when the tick chart is minus 1,000, but in this case was minus 6,000. So it did have some room to continue to go down, but it didn't, right? And in the meantime, the market was dropping. So I think this bounce can be legit, this one, right? So I will pay attention to this. Yeah, I'm biased long. I am biased long. But the reality is that we're sideways. Yeah, I'm biased long, but the reality is that we're very sideways. Um, is yeah, they're very today they're behaving very similarly. Oh my God, can you do you tell me, MB, or you're asking me? Damn, I had this trade. I was like 15, 17 points up in no time, and then they stopped me at break even at my first. That was my first trade. I think it was, which one? Somewhere here. Look at this. No, I was up 26 point. 26 in 1 minute and 20 seconds. And then they stopped me out in, I cannot believe this is 20 seconds. Incredible. But it is. It is what it is. Like, look. So, you see that how the tick chart was not making a new low? Yeah, I'm still biased long. I don't know if you hear me. Yeah, I'm biased long. So I haven't looked for any short. Like I do have some shorts here that I marked off, but just to be aware of them. But I am biased long all the way, and this move can be very legit. This move can be it. Um, let's see if we get to this area, and then probably this one can be a good long. This one here. If not, I do have this one. Yeah, I did, but Do you know that I keep very tight stops? Um, Otherwise, it's hard for me to hit my targets. I'm not the guy that's gonna keep the trade for like 3 hours. It's hard. I think the longest trade I've had last year was like 47 or 51 minutes, and that was the runner. That was not the entire position. So it's hard psychologically. Psychologically for me, it's hard to stay on the position. So unless something changes in January, meaning this month, for the rest of the year, I will be biased long. And when I want to say this very clearly, if something changes, that means that if the dollar um change its trend and the equity markets just tank. But otherwise, I will be biased long. It's better business. Now, if I were trading micros, I will. I probably could be more like conservative on my not conservative. What's the word like? I could be more. My stop can be wider, right? But that means targets is going to be wider and harder to achieve. So one of my goals for this year is just hitting more targets, right? So I can get that accuracy above 42%, let's say to 50, 55, right? Like I was reviewing my year last year. It wasn't a great year. It was not. And I made too many mistakes on try to reach targets so too far. That doesn't mean I shouldn't go for like ambitious targets, but I want to raise my winning rate, right? I think I have the edge. I have the edge to do it. I just need to tweak a little bit my plan. That's what I'm doing. Like you haven't seen me getting 3 to 1s since yesterday, you know. I haven't put any 3 to 1 target. Like I'm being a little bit more conservative on what trades I'm taking, but more aggressive getting my target. All right, so 5 minutes for the next 30 minutes, 3 minutes for the next 30-minute candle, and I'm going to update this. Thank you, Jin Ling. Sleep well. You know about sleep, like I follow this guy, Andrew Huberman, and the guy says, you shouldn't be asking people how they feel. Shouldn't be asking people how they sleep. Instead of, hey, how you doing? Or how is it? How are you? So how are you sleeping? That's the most accurate question, just to see if people are feeling okay. All right, so this one does not look like a possibility. Instead, I do have this one aligning with this rejection. 1, 2. Or this entire formation. So next supply I have is this one. Um, no, tick chart is all over the place. Tick chart is very bullish. Okay, it gave us the divergence on the bullish side right here on this drop, and now it's creating new highs on the way up. All right, so volatility is coming into a market when it's exploding to the upside. That's not good. So I rather this just moving up. Yeah, it's facing a lot of supply. It's crazy. Yeah, the tick chart is not moving higher. The good thing is that the dollar is yeah. Yeah, let's see if we can manage to go up in this one. Yeah. Um 3 more minutes on the 7 minute. Doesn't look like we're moving higher though. Oh my god. I mean, the setup is right there, but supply is just coming into the market. Supply is coming in very aggressively. Yeah. Supply is coming in very aggressively there. Yeah, I think this is it for me today. Yeah. Um, there you go. So I got stopped out. I think this is it for me, guys. Yeah, at this point. Yeah. Yeah. Very bad. That's where you say, damn. It's just not my day. Look at that. And this is going to be Oh my God. Not a good day for me, guys. Definitely a bad day. My God. Yeah, a lot of selling pressure against this. All right, let's see if we can have some movement to the upside. Oh, no, no. It's a 7 minute. The new 7 minute. Yeah, no. It's a new 7 minute just bouncing up and down. That's not good. It's not bueno. Very bad. Very bad. Yeah, this thing is gonna blow to the downside. It looks like. Yeah. Wow. This is it for me, guys. This is it. I think I'm just top right there. Right this. Yeah. Not even know what to say. See you guys tomorrow. No more trading for me today. Bye.